Hello, this is Lucas and Brian, and welcome to another video. This video, we're at a cubing competition very near to our house. It's like a 2-kilometer car drive, and I just completed 3x3's first round, and I got a PR average of 9.77. I got 3 sub-10 singles and an 8. Yeah, so that was really good. And the scrambles were quite easy though.
I just wanna lick the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The shit.
12秒。
所有有报名。For 2x2, number 1 to 140, number 1 to 140, you may now submit your team to the checking area. Thank you.
So I just did pyraminx and 2x2. Pyraminx were kind of meh. I did not that well. The 2x2, I actually got a PR average of 3.47 average. I got 4 threes, which was really good for me. I broke the sub-4 average barrier, so that was really good. And now I'm going to go compete in clock.
8秒。我想一下，我想一个东西。
再给出的方块带到后赛区进行解录。请单手1号到150号，1号到150号的选手，这边可以将你的方块带到后赛区进行解读。
I just came out of the competition and I just have one more left, which is pyramids. And yesterday I did clock, skew, and 4x4 and OH, and I got cut off on clock, OH, and 4x4 because I didn't practice. But skew, I got like 10-second solve, which was really good for me. And in bed 3 in the morning, I got 2 9s, but I got like an 11 average, which wasn't that good. So for this comp, I got quite a lot of PBs. I got the 3x3 average and 2x2 average. I also got quite a lot of singles, and it was really unfortunate for me to not be able to compete in 2x2 second round because I really wanted to give a shot on trying to beat the average again. And for pyramids, I really wanted a good solve on the last solve, but I got like a 6 average, so that probably isn't PR. Yeah, so I think this comp, it was quite tiring, but I got quite a lot of PR, so I'm pretty happy about it. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you're new, make sure to leave a like. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Lucas and Brian, and we'll see you next time. Bye!